viewers, today I'm making spicy air fried chicken. For this we need half chicken, which includes 1 leg, 1 breast, 1 thigh and 1 wing. I need a half cup of buttermilk, half cup of hot sauce. We're gonna mix it up and let it marinate for at least 1 hour. It's all mixed up. Now I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. For the coating, we need 3 by 4th cup all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon onion powder, ½ teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, lastly 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Now I'm gonna whisk it all. I'm going to preheat the air fryer. The air fryer is preheated now. I'm gonna take out the chicken and dip it in the coating. I'm gonna apply the flour generously. I'm spraying the air fryer with canola oil. And now I'm gonna put in the chicken. I'm gonna do the same with the rest of the chicken. So all the chicken have been placed in the air fryer. I'm gonna spray some more canola oil. Close the lid. It's been around 10 minutes. I've put some more canola oil on it and I'm flipping the chicken. It's been around 18 minutes. Let me check the temperature. Chicken looks done to me, but you can go on for another 2 minutes if you want it more brown. But I'm gonna take it out and plate it.